Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. I broke the where the ribbon cable for the display is connected. There's a latch on. I broke this off, but the connector is okay, and I put a little a wire over it and a little foam to press it down, and I got away with it. So I put this here, cable that will ultimately do the pressure on the flat flex cable. And now I put a little foam on it. I don't know how long this will last, but if I now could replicate it, it worked before, so that would be great. So I think that could be a repair for this. Yeah, because I wanted to buy a new PCB, but I couldn't find one. And if I clip the LCD in, this puts pressure on the foam and the ribbon cable. So I hope. Okay, the final steps. So I close this up, and in the final video I will not make any editing, so that you see it's right is this thing. Last screw. Yeah. Okay. Horizon. Now let's see. Yeah, you see? Screen is working now. Yeah. That's nice. So guys, I finally fixed it. It's working. It didn't make a great contact. I don't know why. Maybe there was a piece missing. So I don't really know. Now it's working. The screen that I screwed up is also working fine. There are no lines or anything, so I think that's a permanent solution that is working, you see. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. This was a long day. I sat on this thing for around 10 hours. I took it apart at least 20 times, so yeah, no wonder why the ribbon cable connector broke, but I'm pretty happy with the fix. So yeah, I think this was the Revisit 3 video. I don't know how I definitely will make more parts because it took so long. Also that's a really long video. So I'm happy now. You see, it's working. I'm so glad. Yeah, the screen is working. So yeah, I learned to think how to replace that, and I'm sure there was a part missing because I had to put like foam under it that it makes good contact. So I don't know. These are still not working, but I really don't care. I will just take this thing never apart again. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope there was something useful in it. I thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing, and I see you in my next video. Bye.